Thank you, Teacher Doors. May we call on Mrs. Villones to present po.
Most attentive, most industrious, best in language, best in computer, and best in English. Jean Shilo Pedres, most industrious, most attentive, best in math, best in science, and model pupil.